Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to talk about YouTube Shorts, the very important section of the YouTube nowadays, because if you produce short videos content like 60 seconds video, you will get a lot of views, and in this way your channel will get a very good boost. You will get new viewership throughout your YouTube channel that will help you to complete your watch time because of the new viewers, because they will watch your long videos as well, and your subscriber count will also keep on increasing with the help of these short videos. So the short videos are nowadays a very important part of the YouTube. So in this video we will talk about how we can use different YouTube short video that have been already uploaded on the YouTube channels, and how you can edit them so that you can repurpose those videos and upload them and gain viewership. So right now I will show you the video that I have already uploaded in the short section. So this is the content section, and here I will move for the shorts. So these are the shorts video that I have already uploaded, and you can see the number of views that it has gained. There are lots of videos here. So in the repurpose videos, you just download your shorts videos and combine them to make a long video, and then you upload it to your YouTube channel. Okay, so I will show you how you can use other people's shorts videos. So you have to go to the YouTube section. Okay, and here you have to write any keywords about which you want to repurpose short videos. So let's say we want entertainment videos, see, right? And right after that you will just select this filter section here, and you will see a section for the short. So want short videos, so you just under 4 minutes, or you can also select this shorts videos. Okay, so I'm just clearing the filter here. Okay, because the short segment is already there, so I'll just select shorts, and you will see a lots of video. You can just simply download this video and make some little bit changes, and that's basically called the repurpose shorts video, and then you can upload it to your YouTube channel. And that's how you will you can repurpose the short videos and upload it to your channel to make gain more viewership. So I hope you like the video and understand the concept of repurpose shorts video. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.